The 2026 Toyota Sienna understands the balance: the errands, the carpools, the road trips, and the moments in between. It's the hybrid that keeps pace with busy schedules and still finds time to look good doing it. Available in LE, XLE, XSE, Woodland, Limited, and Platinum grades, Sienna brings flexibility and confidence to every drive. From every angle, Sienna shows up with confidence and versatility. Dual-power sliding side doors are designed to help keep things moving smoothly, with available hands-free access to help make handling cargo or passengers easier. An available power liftgate with hands-free access on select grades keeps convenience top of mind. And with an available power moonroof, every drive feels a little more open. XSE grade turns it up with sport mesh details, black exterior accents, and bold wheel options, 20-inch dark alloys on front-wheel drive, or 18-inch on all-wheel drive, for a look that balances practicality with attitude. Woodland Edition stands taller with nearly 7 inches of ground clearance, black badges and rugged 18-inch wheels, perfect for families who take the scenic route. And Limited and Platinum grades elevate the everyday with chrome-finished accents, roof rails, and distinct wheel designs that keep Sienna looking sharp in every driveway. Inside, Sienna is spacious, functional, and built with thoughtful details throughout. 3 or 4-zone automatic climate control keeps everyone happy, while up to 18 cup and bottle holders prove it's built for real life. Tech-forward details include a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster available in XSE and above, paired with a Qi-compatible wireless charger and 7 USB ports. Available features like a 1,500-watt inverter, heated and ventilated front seats, and second-row captain's chairs with ottomans transform the cabin into first-class comfort. Need space? The one-motion stow split and stow third row folds flat in seconds, creating up to 101 cubic feet of cargo capacity behind the front seats. Each grade has its perks. XSE adds sporty captain's chairs. Woodland Edition includes heavy-duty all-weather floor mats. Platinum takes it further with a heated steering wheel, head-up display, heated second-row seats, and even a built-in vacuum and fridge box. Because family life doesn't slow down. Every Sienna features Toyota Audio Multimedia, with a standard 8-inch touchscreen or an available 12.3-inch upgrade. The Toyota Audio Multimedia platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and supported music apps. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy for users to stay connected to their Android devices and seamlessly access their favorite maps, media, and messaging apps, including Google Maps and YouTube Music, directly on the vehicle screen. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Additionally, select grades include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. And for those who like their road trip playlist front and center, the available 12-speaker JBL Premium audio system keeps every note crisp. Every Sienna comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist, designed to help keep what matters most protected. Blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert comes standard, while available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and the panoramic view monitor are designed to help with maneuvering in tight spaces. Sienna keeps efficiency front and center with a standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid system, delivering 245 net combined horsepower with an EPA estimated rating of 36 miles per gallon combined on front-wheel drive models and an EPA estimated rating of 35 miles per gallon combined on all-wheel drive models. Available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive adds confidence in varying road conditions, while a max towing capacity of up to 3,500 pounds supports transporting gear or family travel needs. XSE adds a sport-tuned suspension and steering setup designed to help bring some fun into the family drive. The 2026 Toyota Sienna, stylish, versatile, and built for life in motion. Every new Sienna includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, and 2 years of unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Sienna includes a hybrid system warranty that covers select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile battery warranty, whichever comes first. From carpools to cross-country, it's the hybrid that adapts to every chapter. Learn more at toyota.com.